Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. So in this video lecture, we will be discussing about HTML S tag. So here S stands for strike through. This tag is very important. You can use this tag along with any other HTML tag. So in HTML lecture series, this is our lecture number 29, and if you forgot to watch some previous lectures, you can check the description box. I have already added the link there. So let's move to the introduction part first. So as you can see here, HTML tag is used to represent the range of content which is no longer accurate or relevant in some way. So in simple language, we can say that in HTML, S element renders text with a strike through or a line through it. Like, for example, if I want to write introduction and I want a line over it, so we can create such statement by using S tag, that is strike through. Use the S element to represent things that are no longer relevant or no longer accurate. However, S tag is not appropriate when indicating document edits. For that, we always need to use DEL, that is delete tag, and INS, that is insert elements, right? Also, the text written between S and S end tag renders as a strike a line through the text, as I have told you with this example. So here you can see the syntax: start S tag, and then you always need to close this S tag. You can write anything in between these tags, right? So in this example, you can see S tag I love HTML. To learn this language, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we have closed the S tag. So इसका output क्या होगा? इस तरह से you will see a line over this particular statement. Okay, so this is how you can create S tag. Now let's just move to the practical part. As you can see here, I have already written HTML basic structure. So strike tags. Right now, what we need to do here is we just start the S tag. Hi, this is my first web page, and close this strike tag. Save strike.html. Save and then refresh. So here we have strike.html. So this is how you can create a strike through text, right? We can change its font color, we can change its font size as well. Now let's just take another example. Under this, let's say paragraph tag, let's make use of H2, that is heading 2. Okay, in between these heading 2 statement, I would like to write, hi, if you want to join this complete course, you can contact on given numbers. The fee for the same is 9,000 rupees. Okay, save and refresh. So you can see I have used here H2, that is heading 2. Now I want to change the fee of this particular course, right? So what I can do here is I can use S tag, and after that close this S tag, right? Then only save and refresh. This is how you can make use of strike through tag. Along with this tag, you can also use mark tag. In previous lecture, we have already discussed. So you can write it like this: mark Mark tag is used to highlight a specific area. Okay, mark, save, and refresh. So hi, if you want to join this complete course, you can contact on given numbers. Fee for the same is 9,000. I have cancelled this fees, and new fees for the same course is 7,500 rupees only. Okay, so this is how you can create, you can make use of mark tag as well as you can make use of strike tag. Now let's just do another experiment with this with the same tag. Let's say heading, here I'm using font tag. Okay, let's say font color is equals to red and its size is equals to, let's say, 20, not 200, it's just 20. Okay, then close this font tag. Here I would like to write anything. Hi, this is, hi, you can contact me on my new number. Save and refresh. This is the general output size. Okay, so I want to strike through this particular number, first number. Okay, so what can I do? I can use S tag and then close this tag, save and refresh. Right, if you want to change the color of this particular old number, what you can do here is you can use another font tag. Font color is equals to green, and after this S tag, close the font tag. Okay, control, save and refresh. If you want to scroll this, if you want to scroll this particular statement, you can use what? You can use marquee tag. marquee, marquee tag I have started here, and marquee, save and refresh. Okay, so this is how you can create multiple, you can use multiple tags with this strike tag. So this is very important topic. I hope you understand everything, right? So that's all for today. Thanks for watching this video.